Lovelies, stop posting random content if you want to grow fast in 2026. There are three niches dominating social media this May in particular, and even in 2026 to be precise, plus I think forever. And people in these niches are gaining followers, they are gaining views, they are making serious money faster than ever. I'm an example. If you're to pick the right niche right now, your phone can literally become your monthly income source. So don't skip this video because niche number 3 is exploding massively this month. Yes, I'm very excited. I've seen this month a lot of people have started channels, have started podcasts, have started YouTube, on TikTok, then Facebook. I'm seeing people from, especially from my country, are coming up. Everybody is coming up, which is a good idea, and that's why we have been praying for. But the question is, which niche are you in, and what are intentions of coming on podcasts, on coming on YouTube, on social media? We're going to be seeing it in this video, and I would love you to be attentive. Please welcome to this mind-blowing video. This is Christy, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. So let's be together. This is a disclaimer, and unline it, you guys. I'm not saying the moment you invest your energy in these three niches, you are going to get the car of your dream. You're going to sleep in a mansion you love. You're going to be going for shopping. Nah. I'm saying I'm giving you just tips. And these tips, if you follow them, you go and research, pick just 2 to 5% of my video, go and research. The moment you research, you're going to know how the few people are making money online, not on views, not just looking for attention, just to get money. We are talking about passive income. Guys, it would be a disfavor if I continue this video without recognizing our top engagers. Our top engagers on YouTube, our top engagers on Facebook, on TikTok. Guys, you are doing very great. Thank you very much. One of the things that makes money and the CTR and RPM is engagement. Thanks for interaction. I love you so much. Thanks for making us come every day and every day. Can we dive in and see these three important niches that every person that you are going to start? Are you starting a podcast? Are you starting just social media? Are you starting a blog? What are you starting a website? These are three major important high-paying niches that you should be looking at. Now, let's go to money and side hustle content. People are desperately searching for ways to survive financially in 2026. Trust me, this is lifetime. Whether you like it or not, anything about making money online, anything about passive income, about YouTube earnings, Facebook monetization, AI side hustles, these ones are getting crazy attention right now. And when they are getting crazy attention right now, what do you think it is? Because everybody wants freedom. Everybody wants freedom of finance. Everybody wants freedom of time to be with their families. And when you have freedom in these two, time and finance, it means your family becomes better. If you show people simple ways to earn using smartphones, they will follow you fast. The niche also attracts high CPM. You know, there are people who are putting ads on these videos, on these platforms. These are premium advertisers. It will attract people, though there are very few, because the majority, they want the bad things. So, but the amount of money that you get from the few is very awesome. Meaning better earnings on platform like YouTube, ask me, like Facebook, like TikTok, any platform, as long as it has content monetization, and it gives you money from content, not from ads, maybe brand deals or selling products. This is going to be it is juicy. Let me tell you, you shouldn't start something that you'll not earn from it. Do you know that most people have started YouTube, they have started podcasts, they are writing blogs, but at the end of the month, you find they are in debts? What about if the things you're doing are giving you money? I want you to go, if you've been in this field for 1 year, I want you to go and check your dashboard. I want you to go and see your earnings. How have you been earning from them? And with your massive views. Smartphone tools and AI is our second niche that you should focus on. AI is changing everything, by the way. People want tools that save time. People want to edit videos so fast. People want to create captions. They want to make thumbnails. They want to help all these ones. They want to grow fast. And indeed, smartphone tools and AI tools, they are helping people to grow fast in this. Now imagine, if I remember 5 years ago, when I started, I had someone to draft for me video transcripts. I had someone to edit for me. I had someone to turn for me from English to Luganda, just imagine. But now it is being done by one, my smartphone and AI tools. I just command and everything comes. So what are videos that we are looking at in smartphone tools and AI? We are looking at top AI tools for creators. We're looking about on how to edit videos with AI. This is what is trending. And best free AI apps in 2026 are also blowing up right now. I'm using most of them. The good thing is that you don't even need expensive equipment here. No, you don't need an expensive camera, an expensive phone. You just need your phone, you need your consistency and smart content. That's all. And now the fast growing niche now is this. It is AI and smartphone tools. We look at lifestyle and real life content. People are tired of fake perfection. You see someone is faking life, but behind the closed doors is dying in debts. You're borrowing left and right, but on top, you're showing very great things. You're an iron lady and a man of perfection. No, people are tired of it, the fake one. They are now live real. They are just ready. So they need relatable content. You remember when we started this channel, I used to bring sophisticated ways of, no, I reached a time and I said, no, people who cannot know how to use their smartphone and Facebook and TikTok where they stay for the whole day to make money from it, how do I bring for them an app that needs it, that is very sophisticated? People gave up. So I decided to come up in real life. You have your smartphone and you're seated on it. And you're seated on TikTok the whole day. You're seated on Facebook. And you have YouTube. You're watching videos. You can make money. This is now what we call relatable content. Lifestyle. How do we eat? For example, your daily life can grow your page. Yes. What you eat, your struggles, your growth journey, your routines, your village life, your work life, your healing journey. These ones, they are relatable and can grow. Why do I say they have high CPA? Even simple organic meal video with honest storytelling can go viral because people connect emotionally with authenticity. You get it? Is it authenticity or authenticity? You know, English is not our mother tongue. Authenticity. The secret is this. You don't need to be perfect to grow in 2026. You only need a profitable niche. You need consistency. You need to just encourage to post every day for everyone to watch. Remember, one viral video can change your entire financial situation. So tell me in the comment section, guys, which niche are you still or are you looking at? Start with in this May 2026. We are talking about phone and we talk about real content and lifestyle. We're talking about money and side hustle. You guys, you can see I'm always on side hustle, and our second channel is on real life, our experiences spiritually. So guys, Go out there, start with an intention and start with a focus.